Right, so you'll see right here Python. On the other half of the screen, countdown. It's a Google countdown. Basically, it's just I think it's called tomato technique, Pomodoro technique, something like that. Basically, it's just a teaching method where you learn for a certain amount of time and you make a short pause for a certain amount of time. Currently I'm on 25-minute study, 5 minutes break, and so on. That's it. So the purpose of this video, guys, is to document my journey, basically. I just want to learn code. That's it. It's an incredible thing, makes my mind think, which is incredible, awesome, and it's exactly what I want and what I am. In my entire life, I try to deconstruct certain topics. My degree is not in computer science. Actually, is in sport and physical science, which you might think that, or we can put it in the different, at the opposite spectrum, because a lot of people associate IT jobs with a static situation, a static position, where the only challenge or the only stress is mental stress. You know, you are very active mentally. That goes without saying that you are very active mentally in training as well, in sports as well, but that's not the topic of this video. So, as I said, I have a degree in sport and physical science. Right. Let's go straight to the chase. I don't want to like say to talk about nonsense. Python is my language of choice. I think I would love to be a software developer. I learn a lot of stuff. I read a lot of stuff. And I read a lot of stuff that are related to the information technology field, but it's not Python. For instance, I read math books, and trust me, I read math books from my high school. I am not ashamed of that. I love to go back to basics. I will always go back to basics. And I'm not ashamed of that. I love it. I love to make mistakes. So I will make a lot of mistakes. I will speak a lot of shit. I love it. I will learn from it. Alright, so I just finished like a challenge, an exercise, a really easy exercise that involved a couple of concepts that I learned so far in Python. Along the way, I will show you examples while I talk. So the concepts that I learned, and basically the concepts that you will learn in any Python tutorial, is the print function, new line. I just tell you the concepts like one by one, not in a particular order. Are just like concepts that I learned so far. That's it. The print function, the new line, concatenation of strings, input function, comments, length, and variables. That's pretty much it that I learned so far. It's a very easy. I don't know. This journey is super cool. I love to learn code. I love to put myself into a situation where my mind is a bit challenged, or is a bit where you can talk with your mind, you know? It's like two persons. Your mind is one and you are yourself, you know? And it's like you ask yourself questions. Okay, what do you think about this? stuff. What do you think about that stuff? How can we change that? It's just a beautiful thing. I don't know. I'm just talking. I'm just saying like sentences that come out of my head. And yeah, I think I will shut up now. Other things that I will do, I will put references in my description of this video. And along the way, I just want to talk with people that have similar hobbies, and not necessarily, because also as a lot of people, I have other hobbies, For example, I collect like perfumes. I love photography. And a lot of people have different cool hobbies, or they love and enjoy a lot of stuff. Man, I talked a lot of things in this video, all over the place. What can you do? That's my mind. My mind goes all over the place. Okay. I said that I will put in the description of this video references, a lot of cool people that I like to watch. What else? I think I will make for the first time a Twitter account. I don't have a Twitter account, and I heard a lot of people saying that a lot of cool and intellectual people are on Twitter. I have a Instagram account for my perfume, like hobby, but I don't really post that much because I'm crazy about this stuff. I'm crazy about learning new things, and I'm obsessed. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, so guys, this is me. My name is Todd. Subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.